establishing shot to show where we are. Yeah, we're at Wembley again. So establishing shot, check, tick, done. Let's find the hotel. Wembley at Christmas. Just some lights. Just some lights. Alright, we're coming up upon it. The Wembley International Hotel. Well, it's already reminding me of a Florida hotel. Just the fact that there's cheesy lights, there's meeting rooms, there's suites, they do weddings and conferences. The fact that it's completely dark apart from just a couple of lights. Can you even see that? Like, trust me, this is the place. Wow, the entrance looks like a hospital. Let's assume that's not police tape. Oh, but there is a doggy. That's this. International Hotel.
It's every fucking. You can't diss Salah, man. Salah's a consistent player. Yeah, he's brilliant. Yeah. But one game he's going to be back in the next 20,000 times.
Football chat. Salah. There's nobody here. Let's check out while we're waiting for reception. Alright, the seating areas. Got some art, some sort of carbonite. Not quite Han Solo, but yeah, the Christmas lights are not brilliant. They're a bit gutted. Mirage Sports Bar. I can only imagine. That's the restaurant. That's the menu. Let's go check in. Oh, it's a mirrored lift. What do you think I use there? Oh, up to number 5. Oh, look at all these mirrors. This is freaky. It's like a weird film. I'm gonna shoot the real me. Wow. Bedrooms this way. Ooh, it smells bad. What does that smell like? Oh wow, what a big room. Wow, spacious. I've got a bed for relaxing and a bed for sleeping. Brilliant. Let's put on all the lights. By turning off all the lights. So, this is the room. It's really big. It's bigger than some rooms I've got at home. The windows are massive. Let's just check out the view straight away. What do we see of Wembley? We see nothing. We don't see the stadium bit. Just see some residential in the car park. That's a shame. Wow, that looks like an additional bed if you need it. That looks like aircon. Temperature. And in a room this big, a teeny tiny telly. You know, there's the remote, just so you can get the scale. Mad. A table right in the middle of the room. It's a bit formal. Nice table for a desk, I suppose. A desk for writing letters and checks and things. There's a big mirror. There's a kettle under there with some. Let's do this now. With some teas of distinction, Nairobi. And then, what is that? Nairobi coffee. It's different. All sorts of shit. It's very corporate, this hotel. Free continental breakfast. I don't think I've got that. Ironing board. Don't think I have anything to iron. Safe and drawers and another bed. This is crazy. 2 spare pillows. I think I've got enough pillows. And then the bathroom. I've already been given a warning about the bathroom. The steam sets the fire alarms off, so I have to keep the door closed, which I guess is what this is all about. Oh, it's not. Please do not have a shower or bath outside the bathtub. Well, why would you do that? Weird. So the bath is clean. The shower head is okay. Some instructions. It's never a great sign, is it, when you need instructions for the shower? What have we got here? Shower cap, nice. That's always a nice touch. Don't need it, but it's a nice touch. It's a nice soap. What is this? That looks like, I think that's shower gel. This must be the shampoo. Just pure. Can't see any flavour. And some bags and some glasses and some tissues. Wow. No burglars. I guess we got to do 2 bed tests. Bed test number 1. The corner bed. The far bed. Firm. Hard. Not sure about it. Bed test number 2. The nearer bed. Slightly softer. But only marginally. I can feel the springs. Pillows. Those pillows are good pillows. Happy with them. Hotel art. It looks like Monet. It is a Monet. A print. Imagine it wasn't a print. Monet. There you go. The real actual art. In a hotel room, imagine that. What a big room. I could literally just walk around and wander around and do... I could do cartwheels. I can do all sorts. The window's massive. This is weird. £63. £63 and 22 pence for this. Mad. Sleeps 6 people. Potentially. And they might be, these spare ones might be doubles. So it could, 8 people. I could have invited everybody back. Strangers off the street. Homeless. Mad. Crazy. Wembley. A little bit further out, caught the train. Got off at the wrong station, which was annoying. So Wembley Central is not Wembley Park. Get that in my head for next time. So I was a bit bewildered when I came out. And did not know where I was. Yeah. amazed, but I'm amazed by the size of this room. Flabbergasted. I don't hate those curtains. I think those curtains are actually okay. It's a clean room. This is such a strange hotel. It really is like a reminder of America. I don't know what else to say about it. It's comfortable. It's nice. It's clean. It smells fresh. Looks like the mattress is bigger than the bed. So that could be fun if I'm sleeping on this side. But it's firm enough that it shouldn't make a difference. Wow. I think this is going to be a really short video, you know. Alright, that'll do it. Now that I'm actually in bed, this is quite an uncomfortable bed. I don't think going to the other one is going to make any difference. And also this duvet, it's not even a duvet. Well, I think it is actually technically a duvet. It's really thin and pathetic, so I'm either going to have to kind of go over there and take that one, or in the corner where I've got the aircon, maybe I'll boost that to uncomfortable levels of heat tonight. Decisions. I guess I'll see how we go for now, but I'm quite prepared to take either option or both options. Why not? But regardless, this is an uncomfortable bed. I decided to go for the 2 blankets. I did put the heating on. It was very noisy, so I just turned it back off almost immediately. The 2 duvets sort of did it. They were brilliant, but it did the trick. But it was never going to be a match for the uncomfiness of that bed. So yeah, the overall, I think this is a nice hotel. It's fairly easy to get to. It's not too far out of the way. It was cheap. It was £63. It's spacious, so I can just get my steps in. You know, when I'm bored, just do some laps. It's got everything that I kind of need. I don't need a television, but they really should get a bigger one than that. That's my big feedback. It's a very rainy Wednesday morning in Wembley, and I don't have a hood. I chose a different coat today. I went for warmth over protection from the rain, which foolish. I usually have a hoodie on as well. It's the one week I don't. I'm about to head out. I'll try and get a shot of the outside before I go, just because we didn't really get it last night. The light's not great, but we'll do it. But the Wembley International Hotel, sure, I'd recommend it. I don't know what the services are like downstairs. I don't know what the breakfast's like. I don't know what the bar's like. But how bad can it be? Strong Florida vibes from this. But I'd stay again. And with that, I need to get to work. So, tip of the hat. Goodbye, folks. Take care. Bye.